Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink on Monday.
I need some energy.
We do, because it is hot. Like 106 in the comfort zone is what it's supposed to be, so fun. So today we have Rockstar Focus Energy Lemon Lime.
We should be in the focus in this video.
Yeah, we should be. Alright, so looking at the important factors, we got 0 calories, 30 milligrams of sodium, 0 sugar, 0 carbohydrates, 0 protein, 16 milligrams of niacin, 1.7 milligrams of B6, 2.4 micrograms of B12, 5 milligrams of lovely acid, which I believe is B13 or one of the other B's is what that stuff is, which is interesting, and 200 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can. Ow! Let's get ready to see how this thing tastes.
I think it would be Mountain Dewish or more of like a Sprite, maybe.
Could be. You got a cup ready?
I've been too hot for coffee right now.
Yep. Way too hot for
I
coffee.
haven't been bringing it. If I do it cold, I think to bump it, I get more.
Yep. That's why I stopped. It smells fresh.
Oh, it's shaking me up, so we weren't looking for it to be a hard lime.
It's like Pepsi's new Starry. But it definitely is a very nice lemon lime soda. Has the nice cleansing bubbles of the palate. Nice light, yeah, nice and light. Yeah, if I could use a few more of these, honestly. Yeah, that's really good.
I wouldn't mind sweating that.
Oh yeah, that's tasty.
Yeah, they got it together there.
That is good tasting stuff there. And that tastes that good with 0 calories and 0 sugar.
I feel more focused already.
Yeah, that's really helpful. And it's also nice and cold too, because I put it down there on the ice that I have today. But I mean, it's not one of those typical energy drink flavors that you would normally imagine, but I would definitely say if you're just wanting a Sprite or Starry refreshing lemon lime flavor, but you want some caffeine in it, that is an excellent choice, because that is
some Twist Up.
Oh, some Twist Up, yep, or 7-Up, all those different ones. So that's good. I like it. I can go and pick this up any day and it will be good. That is nice. So I'd say $3.19 or $3.92. There we go, because that's good. So
Really good.
Yeah.
Here's one of those electric motors in the back there. Green thing.
And just Optimus. Weird. Alright guys, so that's really good. Let us know what you thought of that particular energy drink if you can find it. It tastes pretty good.